Abracadabra on a nigga. Expecto Patronum on a nigga. What? If Mofi gon' run up on me, then I'ma put my one to the nigga.
Yo! What's going on, guys? Here with my brother today. I'm at, I don't even know what this shop is called. But today, I'm finally getting new tires. Or I'm getting my tires mounted. Because as you can see, these are toast. And like, I don't like driving on drag slicks. So yeah, got my car here with a silver door, but whatever. So right now, my old tires are 225 40/18s all the way around. Oh, got that monkey. And the ones I just got them off Kijiji for cheap. And these are 225, 215 40/18. So it's gonna be more stretch. And oh, by the way, these are one sec. They're called Hankook Ventus V12 Evo. So yeah, I think these are good tires. I got them for a good price, so whatever. I got 4 of them. But yeah, I'll see if they're cool with me filming. They're cool guys though. I know, eh? It's not even that fat, but whatever. Whatever. But yeah, if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Huh? Right? Thumbs up. Dislike. Tapos ano?
I got some problems, I need to solve them. First thing first, tell your man keep working, cause I never heard about him. Or the outcome, or the results, or the thing deep down that we see y'all. How the fuck am I supposed to see something so cheap, so unique? Need more than what you got to give me to turn. Give me to know it's all, give me to learn. But none of that present ghost and it's evident the ghost of the underground forever. I be running it, sounded by the seashore. If you just selling it, just like fast food, bitch, they be loving it.
Down.
Never wave, everything has always been to see life on the way. Give me the turn, give me to know the song, give me to learn. But none of that's present, ghost and it's evident the ghost of the underground forever. I be running it, sounded by the sea. But none of that's present, ghost and it's evident the ghost of the underground forever. I be running it, sounded by the seashore. If you just selling it, just like fast food, bitch, they be loving it. I love it too, but in another way, everything has always been to see life on the way.
You're giving me the next tire? I can't. What?
Me more than what you got to give me to turn. Give me to know it's all give me to learn, but none of that's present. Ghosts and it's evident, the ghosts of the underground forever. I'll be dwelling in Sally by the sea.
Okay, the tires are all done. Thanks to these guys. What's your name again?
Shane.
Shane, alright. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Sean.
Sean, alright.
Yeah.
And your name?
Arlo.
Okay. So make sure to, like if you need like tire changes, what's it called?
Limitless.
Limitless? Okay, yeah, make sure, they're like in the, is this the northeast?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, make sure to like come through. Because they're pretty quick and has a good price. Yeah. Yeah, so this is what they look like in the daylight. So yeah, more stretch. I love this. Where you can like see the rim. Like the lip of the rim. Oh god. So before, that's why like I couldn't go lower, is because like it was rubbing in the tire. So like that's my limiting factor. And now I can go lower. You know, especially in the front. That's a lot of room. And this is gonna be scraping. Like I love it. Oh shit. But yeah. Ooh, it's looking good. It's looking good. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm just at a random parking lot. Nice little view. But whatever. I'm just waiting for my brother. But right now I'm just like trying to lower the car. Trying to get the fender like closer to the tire, I guess. It's kind of weird. I don't know. There's a guy over there.
What? Fuck what you think, bitch, fuck what you thought. Till my quotes right there, boy, to the top. Try to give it what you got ain't enough. Time to hang it up, take a walk, get lunch. Everything I touch above will always get touched.
Yo, how's it going? So, shitty thing happened like earlier today. Look at that. As you can see, my lip is in 4 pieces. That's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be 1. Fuck. I guess it's too low. But whatever. I like it. But yeah. I don't know. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but if you're sticking around, thanks. I'm just gonna be trying what I'm gonna do is like I'm just gonna put these back together. I'm gonna try and put it back together by zip tying it, I guess. Let's see if that works. Fingers crossed. Because it looks weird without a lip. Like just the bumper itself, it looks weird. But yeah. Let's get to it. Hey guys. I just, here's an update on the lip. So, pretty much, it's back on the bumper. It's like upside down, so. But yeah, what I did is just, I drilled a couple holes there, and then put a zip tie. Here too, I made an X, just so it's like, it looks like a drift car, but it's not. But yeah, for now that'll do. The reason why I don't want to the reason why I used it again, even though it's broken, is because this lip was $200, and I didn't really want to buy another lip because it's just so expensive. But yeah, it'll do for now, I guess, because like this part you can't really see when you're under the car, like this part. Yeah. And what else did I do? I put zip ties here. Oh shit, the lens is so dirty. But yeah. So much problems with this. Just kidding, not really. So I'm just gonna be putting the bumper back on.